Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the correct die size for the snap head and socket so the metal seats evenly. Mismatched dies bend parts. Once chosen, mark the fabric or strip at 1/2 inch and place a solid backing plate under the work. Align the snap head and socket flush, then position the pliers' jaws perpendicular to the material. Squeeze gently until you feel initial resistance. This seats parts without overcrushing. Make sure the work doesn't shift before the next, firmer squeeze. Now you proceed with controlled compression. Apply steady, progressive pressure. Avoid one violent squeeze that deforms the socket. Once you reach firm engagement, release slightly and inspect alignment. This confirms halves are concentric. If they look offset, realign and re-engage with a gentler stroke. Use spacer washers or a backup die when working thin materials to prevent overpenetration. Keep the pliers steady, breathe, and complete the final squeeze in one smooth, decisive motion so the snap crimp forms consistent ridges and a secure mechanical lock. Finish by inspecting the crimp. Look for even flaring and no gaps. Then test the snap by pressing and pulling. Rotate the mating piece to check catch integrity. Trim any excess material and file small burrs. Apply light oil to the pliers pivot for smooth repeats. If the snap is misset, offset, or too loose, don't force it. Punch out the faulty snap with a thin punch, clean the hole, and reinstall using the correct die and the same controlled steps. That solves the most common failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.